Hello guys, how are you doing today? In this video, I'll show you how to display your Microsoft OneDrive photos on any Android device. This video focuses on Android TV and Google TV, since Microsoft doesn't have an official OneDrive app for the big screen, but it'll work just as well on your smartphone or tablet. The first thing you need to do is download the Pixee app from the Google Play Store. I'll put the link right down in the description. With Pixee, we can easily link your cloud storage and start a beautiful slideshow of your memories. So let's launch the app. Press Get Started, and as you can see, there are a ton of sources to choose from. For this video, we're going to select the OneDrive option and press Continue. Now, Pixee will ask you to log into your Microsoft account. You'll see a secure login screen right here. Just enter your details or approve the prompt on your phone, and you're good to go. Once you're connected, you can choose which folders Pixee will search for pictures. Up top, you have the option to select all photos to scan your entire OneDrive, but I am not going to do that. I am going to select one folder with subfolders. To select a folder, I press the middle button on my remote. If I want to open a folder instead, I press the right key. So my pictures are in the Pictures folder, and I'll select that. Let's press Continue, then hit Start, and now Pixee will pull in all your OneDrive pictures. By default, the photo changes every 10 seconds. I'll show you how to change that in settings in a moment. But first, let me show you that you can pause the slideshow by pressing the middle button. You can press the right key on the remote to skip to the next picture, see? And if you want to go back, just press left. Let's resume it again. Now I can customize this screen by holding the up arrow, like that, and now we're in the settings. Here I can change which folders Pixee has access to, but there are also a lot of customization options, most of which speak for themselves. One thing I really like is collage mode. Let me turn that on. In collage mode, you have three options: columns, grid, and mosaic. I like mosaic, so let me enable that and show you what it looks like. Let's continue. As you can see, collage mode lets you display multiple pictures in a single frame. It looks pretty nice. This is mosaic, which shows one large portrait picture on the left and two smaller ones on the right. Columns just shows 3 pictures side by side, and grid arranges 4 pictures in a square. If I go back to settings, you'll see the option minimum singles between collages. That means, for example, it'll show at least 2 regular pictures between each collage. We can also show or hide the clock and change its position on the screen, for example, bottom left, and there it is. We can show the weather too, just search for your city if you'd like that displayed. And we can show the photo and album name. And that's it. As you can see, the setup is super simple. It only takes about 5 minutes, and it works great. Thanks for watching.